The Congress-led protest in Parliament complex entered the third day with members from SP, JDU and RJD also joining in. In the Lok Sabha, proceedings were smooth in the presence of nearly empty opposition benches. The Rajya Sabha witnessed another day of uproarious scenes and no business could be transacted. The highlight of Lok Sabha proceedings was the spirited and emotional defence by External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj of her stand on the issue of travel documents to former IPL chairman Lalit Modi and Home Minister Rajnath Singh's statement on the Udhampur terror attack. The TMC and JDU boycotted the proceedings. The NCP, RJD and Left staged a walkout. The House discussed and passed two bills before adjourning for the day. The first one was the Negotiable Instruments Amendment Bill 2015, which seeks to replace the Negotiable Instruments Ordinance promulgated in June this year. The other bill was the Repealing and Amending Fourth Bill 2015, which seeks to repeal 295 obsolete laws. Earlier during the day, BJP MP Kirit Somaiya submitted a privilege motion against Youth Congress leaders who took their protest against the suspension of 25 Congress MPs to the Speaker's doorstep on Wednesday.
Youth Congress ने जिस प्रकार से इस सदन की जो अध्यक्ष है, स्पीकर है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल हेड है और उस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल हेड के खिलाफ प्रदर्शन करना, उनके बारे में इस प्रकार के वाक्य उद्गार करना, मैंने प्रिविलेज मोशन भी सबमिट किया है। आप मेरा प्रिविलेज मोशन एडमिट करें।
I don't think this is the proper form of a parliamentary system's protest, whatever it is. If somebody want to protest, there are other ways of doing it also. If they have from the day one what they have been doing, that's known to everybody. So I only appeal to the chair, don't take it as a personal reference, ma'am. It's a very serious thing. It should be referred to the Privilege Committee. Let the Privilege Committee go through it.
Proceedings in the Rajya Sabha were washed out for yet another day as the Congress party continued its protest against the suspension of 25 party members of the Lok Sabha. The only silver lining was the tabling of the Prevention of Corruption Amendment Bill 2013 by Minister of State in the Prime Minister's office, Jitendra Singh. Meanwhile, 30 NDA MPs gave a written request to the chairman to take action against the MPs disrupting the House.
कांग्रेस के लोग को सिर्फ हाउस डिस्टर्ब करना है, उनको हाउस चलाना है, हाउस की जो बिल्स है और बिल्स के ऊपर भी डिस्कस करने को तैयार नहीं है। इसलिए हमने आज एक लेटर चेयरमैन को रिक्वेस्ट करके दिया है कि जो लोग हाउस को डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं, जो हाउस को चलने नहीं दे रहे हैं, उनके सामने एज पर रूल सम एक्शन लिया जाए।
Outside Parliament, protesting Congress members led by Rahul Gandhi and Sonia were unrelenting.
अगर करप्शन हुआ है तो आप पहले इस्तीफा लीजिए, उसके बाद आप डिबेट करवाइए और ये मांग जब तक नहीं मांगी जाएगी तब तक हम संघर्ष करते रहेंगे। पार्लियामेंट में हो या दोबारा सस्पेंड होकर बाहर जाना पड़े, चाहे सड़क पे जाना पड़े, चाहे देश के हर कोने में जाना पड़े, कांग्रेस इस आंदोलन को कंटिन्यू करेगी।
While the Lok Sabha has started functioning despite protests by the Congress, precious time and the taxpayers' money continues to go down the drain with work in the Rajya Sabha virtually at a standstill. With Parliament team, Newsnight Desk, DD News.